Baby's into running around, hanging with the crowd, putting your business in the street, talking out loud, saying you bought us this and that, and how much you done spent. I swear she must believe it's all heaven sent. Hey boy, better bring the chick around to the sad, sad truth, the dirty low down.
We'll be right back.